the introduction, we will talk about Panthera Leo. Panthera Leo, commonly known as lion, is one of the most iconic and recognizable wild animals in the world. And the Panthera Leo belongs to the family of Felidae. It is large in size, has muscular carnivorous mammals with deep chest, short and has rounded head and a prominent mane in males. And the Panthera Leo be called as king of the jungle because of their typically inhabit savanna and grassland rather than jungles, and due to their appearance, majestic appearance and dominant position in animal kingdom. And as you guys can see, this is the taxonomic description of Panthera Leo. These animals came from a family of Felidae, and the genus is Panthera, and the species of these animals are being called Panthera Leo. Lions or Panthera Leo primarily inhabits in savanna, grassland and open woodlands, the place where they can hunting and find cover for stalking prey. And this type of habitat support a large population of herbivores such as zebras, antelope and buffalo, and animals that are essential to the lion's diet. The geographical distribution is the first one is Sub-Saharan Africa, which is most commonly found in countries such as Tanzania, Kenya, South Africa, Botswana, and Namibia. In savanna ecosystem, an area with access to water sources and insufficient prey. And the next one is India. They can only be found in the Gir Forest National Park and surrounding areas in the states of Gujarat. And these lions inhabit dry deciduous forests, scrubland, and grassland.
Next, the morphological characteristic of lions. Lions have a strong and muscular body. Their bodies are long with a large head and short leg. There is a difference between male and female lions. This is called sexual dimorphism. Male lions are bigger than females. The mane can look a difference for each male. Some have no mane, while others have full and dark mane. The mane can cover the head, neck, chest, and the belly. The mane helps male lion to attract females and scare other males. Next, the mode of nutrition. Lion live in the large social group. These groups are called prides. They also have a very loud roar. This is one of the loudest among animals and can be heard up to 8 kilometers away. Lions use cooperative hunting. Lioness hunt together in groups, using teamwork to catch their prey. Next, general characteristic of lions. First, let's look at their body size. Male lions are usually 1.8 to 2.1 meters long, while female lions are a bit smaller, about 1.5 to 1.8 meter long. Next, their weight. Male weight between 150 to 250 kilograms, and female weight about 100 to 180 kilograms. Lions have a short coat that is tawny yellow in color. The skull of lion is broad and it has a strong jaw muscle. They also have a sharp canines. This helps them to grip and kill prey easily. Now, let's look at some unique characteristics of lions. Lions are obligate carnivores. This means they must eat meat to survive. Their hunting strategy is called cooperative hunting. Lions, especially the lioness, work together in groups to catch prey. They hunt both large animals like zebras, wild beasts, buffalo, and even giraffe, and also smaller animals like impalas. Besides hunting, lions are also occasional scavengers. They sometimes steal food from other predators such as hyenas.
My name is Naraina Akila bint Abdul Hafiz, and I'm going to explain about life cycle of Panthera Leo, which is the first thing first. We're gonna talk about the birth, which is cubs are born after a gestation period in about 110 days. Next point is for infancy. Cubs stay with their mother for in 2 years, which is after weaning cubs begin to learn essential survival such as hunting. In juvenile, after 2 years, the cubs disperse and become more independent with their life. During adulthood of Panthera Leo, which is we call as lions, it can reach sexual maturity at different age, such as males that typically mature between 26 until 28 months, while females mature between 13 to 36 months. For their lifespan in the wild, lions can live up to 14 years. Lastly, in reproduction, adult lions can reproduce sexually with females, giving birth to litters of 2 until 4 cubs once every 2 years in the wild. but more frequently in captivity.
Hi, my name is Nur Ali Shamini binti Muhammad Ahir, and I would like to talk about the importance of lion to ecosystem and economy. As for the ecosystem, lion, or known as Panthera Leo, they are apex predator. They play the critical role for managing large herbivore population. Balanced ecosystem with number of herbivore needs to be kept in check. Second, they are indicator species. Healthy population often correlate to healthy landscape. They provide a range of benefits not only for human communities, but to other species of flora and fauna. Healthy landscape maintain essential of lion's life. Water sources support food security, mitigate climate change, and create resilience to flooding and other weather-related events. They are also keystone species. Pressure to the habitats they occupy. Without lion, disease spread likely across species. A savanna grassland ecosystem would disintegrate into dysfunctional, barren landscapes impacting all life within. For the economy, lion give benefits to tourism. Popular attraction for wildlife tourists, bringing in large sum of money for both nation and local population. Trophy hunter worth millions of dollars every year to the economies. Second, for the livelihood, recognizing and managing the wider value of lion conservation. It helps to build community and political support for coexisting. Next is generate economic benefits and attract new sources of revenue. And lastly, a better understanding of ecosystem services from Lionscape will help gain access to different funding streams, which can support livelihoods and sustainable development as well as lions. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Al-Jakim bin Samuddin. I'm present about Panthera Leo. Okay, first, lions are social cats. Lions are the only big cats that live in groups called prides. A pride usually has related females, their cubs, and a few males. Living in groups help lions hunt better, protect each other, and take care of their young. Second, lions are top predators. Lions are apex predator, meaning they are at the top of the food chain and have no natural enemies. They hunt large animals like zebras and buffalo and help keep the ecosystem balanced. Third, lions have loud roars. A lion's roar is very loud and can be heard up to 8 kilometers away. The roar helps them warn other lions, protect their territory, and communicate with their pride. Okay, for the last, lions are a vulnerable species. Lions are listed as vulnerable by the IUCN because their numbers are going down. There are now fewer than 25,000 lions in the wild. This is due to problems like loss of habitat, conflict with human, and poaching.